Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Express Monorail to the Transportation and Ticket Center. For those of you standing, please hold onto the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you.
Right out the window. You're tall enough to see. Sorry. Wow, it's a big lake.
Thank you.
Yeah, look at that water. Wow. See the boats? Yeah, we can't put strollers.
Located between Disney's Grand Floridian and Polynesian Village Resort is Disney's Wedding Pavilion. Couples may exchange vows in a fairy tale setting, complete with a picturesque backdrop of Cinderella Castle. You can upgrade a Magic Your Way ticket at any time prior to its expiration by adding more days or options such as Park Hopper Plus. Just stop by any theme park ticket window for details. Experience a South Seas island adventure at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort and Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows.
Santa? It looks like Wrigley Falls. No, that's Polynesian. That's where Moana lives. Remember, we had dinner there with Marianne. We didn't see Moana, right? Yeah, you see some cars. Yeah, that's the ferry boat. Yeah. Ferry boat. This is that way around, the other way. Okay, now let's see. We have to figure out which way to go to get
Ladies and gentlemen, please collect your belongings. Watch your head and step as you exit, and take small children by the hand. Thank you. When boarding, please move across your car to make room for everyone. For those of you standing, please hold onto the handrails and stay clear of the doors. They will be closing in a moment. Thank you. This monorail offers express service to the Magic Kingdom. If you're traveling to Epcot, please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome aboard Monorail Green. Our next stop, the Epcot Monorail Station. If you are standing, please hold onto those silver handrails. They are there for your safety. And as always, please stay clear of the doors.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Monorail to Epcot. For those of you standing, please hold onto the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you. As we turn south, you can catch a glimpse of the spires of Space Mountain in the Magic Kingdom. Nearby is Disney's Contemporary Resort. You can upgrade a Magic Your Way ticket at any time prior to its expiration by adding more days or options, such as Park Hopper Plus. Just stop by any theme park ticket window for details. In addition to new shows and attractions, our calendar is filled with special events and seasonal entertainment. This spring, get outside for some fresh Epcot at the Epcot International Flower and Garden Festival. This annual spring celebration features more than 30 million flowers, Disney character topiaries, and outdoor kitchens with recipes and ingredients picked fresh from the garden. Traveling to Epcot, where the magic of Disney comes together with the wonders of the real world. Its 300 acres are divided into two themed lands, Future World and World Showcase. Future World offers fascinating explorations into the realms of communication, transportation, and imagination. You'll also find adventures in spaceflight, sea exploration, food production, and emerging technologies. Discover the culture and cuisine of 11 nations in World Showcase. On the banks of the 40-acre World Showcase Lagoon are Mexico, Norway, China, Germany, Italy, the American Adventure, Japan, Morocco, France, United Kingdom, and Canada. Young adults from each nation are among your hosts, making this a truly international exchange. Beyond the trees ahead, and to the right-hand side of our forward motion, is Spaceship Earth. This 18-story geosphere marks the entrance to Epcot. Coming up behind Spaceship Earth is Innovations. Inside this hands-on area, you can explore and interact with the ever-changing technologies and products for everyday living in the near future. Mission Space is an exhilarating sensory thrill ride that puts you and your flight crew in command of an out-of-this-world mission to Mars. At Test Track, you can experience the exhilaration of test driving a vehicle on the longest and fastest ride ever created for Walt Disney World. Coming into view is World Showcase. Directly across from us on the far shore of the World Showcase Lagoon is our host pavilion, the American Adventure. Those glass pyramids are the gateway to your journey into imagination. Inside, you can explore the creative process with Figment. Next is the Land, where you can celebrate the Earth's rich diversity. The Land is also home to Soarin', a free-flying adventure across natural wonders. At the Seas with Nemo and Friends, you'll meet some of your favorite undersea pals and have a live chat with Crush the Sea Turtle from Disney Pixar's Finding Nemo. We're approaching the Epcot Monorail station. Smoking is not permitted at Epcot except in designated areas. Please consult your guide map or ask a cast member for locations. Please hold onto the handrails and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely and the doors open. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the cast of the Walt Disney World Resort, welcome to Epcot. Ladies and gentlemen, please remember to collect your belongings and take young children by the hand. As you exit, please lower your head and watch your step. Thank you. When boarding, please move all the way across your car to make room for everyone. Kindly offer available seating to those needing special assistance.